What's new on MSC Lirica? Hi, I'm Jan Obridge, I'm the Cruise Queen. I want to talk to you about some of the new stuff on MSC Lirica that you might not have seen if you've travelled on her before. As mentioned, she's been expanded, extended, whatever you want to call it. But there are a couple of things that have been added in which make the experience actually lovely. There's something called the Coffee Corner, and Coffee Corner is on deck 6. It's just a little bit outside of the casino, and it's lovely. You can look down into the atrium, but it's a lovely comfortable area, and it actually doesn't just sell coffee, although it does sell really good coffee. It's a nice quiet area in the daytime, and in the evening it's a nice place to sit if you just want to sit and chat. But I had a glass of wine there before dinner. It was lovely. So it's one of those areas where we would kind of bump into people before dinner, and it's one of the areas we used as a kind of meet-up point because it was never too crowded. You could always get a seat. So a great place to get good coffee. So the Coffee Corner, deck 6 on MSC Lirica. So if you like a nice cup of coffee or a glass of wine, you can't get spirits and stuff in there, but a nice glass of wine would be nice, then you can go into the Coffee Corner on deck 6. I'm Jan Obridge, I'm the Cruise Queen. If you like this video, please subscribe and press the notification button, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.